Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm giving you a step-by-step introduction to the squat clean. So grab an empty barbell. We're gonna start from the top down. Thing number one, we need to make sure that we're comfortable in the front rack position. I have a very loose grip here. Think just 2 fingers, bunny rabbit ears. We're gonna do 10 alternating elbow reaches. Right arm is 1, left arm is 2. While I'm doing this, I'm focusing on getting my elbows up as high as possible. I'm breathing through my belly and I'm trying not to rotate my torso. Let's get a couple more per side here. And if the bar feels like it's choking you, that means you're doing it right. All right, from here, let's get the elbows up nice and high. At all times, you want to reach up and out. I'll show you from the side here. You want those triceps parallel to the floor. From here, let's take our feet into a nice wide shoulder position. Big inhale up top. Hold your breath on the way down. Exhale as you stand up. So want to make sure the front squat feels very comfortable before going into our cleans. So give me 5 reps here at your own pace, making sure we maintain a nice upright torso. All right, after we finish off our squats, let's bring the bar down into our hang position. So anytime you're grabbing a barbell for Olympic lifts, we want to use what's called the hook grip. That means thumbs first, index finger and middle finger are wrapped around. It'll be a little bit uncomfortable at first. It takes about a month of consistent effort and then it will become second nature. So hook grip your groceries, your dog leash. Anytime you pick up your backpack, the more reps you put in, the more comfortable you'll be. All right, hands are going to be just outside of your shoulders or however high you like to have them when you're in that front rack position. So reestablish our hook grip. From here, my feet are going to be under my hips. So stand in place and just jump up and down a couple times. See where your feet naturally gravitate towards. That's going to be your natural jumping position. You want to start narrow so that you can jump wide into your squat position, okay? We're gonna start off with some hang muscle cleans to get that front rack position warmed up. So from here, I'm going to pencil in between the shoulder blades, big inhale, hinge the hip, go to my knee, pop it up to my shoulder. Once again, hip, knee, hip, pop it up. Your main goal as an amateur lifter is to try and find your hip crease on every lift that you do, all right? Now that we're used to getting the bar up in that position, let's increase the range of motion and go all the way down to our shins, our starting position. Chest up, butt down, almost like you're setting up for a deadlift, but my torso is a little bit more upright. Nice and slow, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, find your hip, pop it up. Let's do another one. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, pop it off the hip. All right, now we're gonna add a speed and a jump into it. All right, so starting with a power clean. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi jump, land in that partial squat, stand up. Now for the full squat clean, gonna go all the way down into a squat. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi jump, ride it down, stand it up from the side profile. All right, guys, good luck, get after it. I'll see you soon.